Pinch. Cheese.
Avery, who are you making these cupcakes for?
Mommy.
And?
Everybody.
And who else?
Nan.
Nan.
More.
Is anybody else?
And.
Can Grandpa have one?
Grandpa.
Grandpa?
I am.
Are they good cupcakes?
No, get your fingers out. Here, like this.
Are they good cupcakes? Mmm. Do you like cupcakes?
Mm-hmm. Is it good? More? Mm. Yeah. All right. Final sprinkles. Final sprinkles. for
Sprinkle,
Nan.
sprinkle.